Whole wheat bread. Who says whole wheat bread has to be dense, dry and tasteless? This is the recipe of 100% whole wheat bread that is not only very soft but also very moist, fresh and packed with sweet taste of wheat, perfect for sandwiches and toast. Above all, this is very healthy and easy to make. I can't assure you more than this how soft and tender texture this bread has, and I'm sure you will enjoy the result. Let's make it.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
I will make this bread by using tangyong. This is the secret to keep bread fresher longer. Take 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour in a pan and add half cup of water in it and mix it to make a smooth paste. It quickly starts to thicken, so cook at least 1 to 2 minutes over medium heat, whisking continuously. There should be no lumps in tangyong. Let it come to the room temperature. In a large bowl, take 371 grams or 2 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. Add 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 35 grams of dry milk powder and mix it with the whisk. Take 2½ teaspoons of instant dry yeast in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water in it. Stir it thoroughly and let it rise for 2 minutes. Add 50 grams oil in the evenly mixed wheat flour. Add 85 grams honey. Honey gives a mild sweet taste and lighter color to your bread. Add bloom yeast in dough batter and add tangyong or wheat slurry that I already cooked and now it is at room temperature. Finally, knead this batter until everything mixed together. I am using here mixing machine, but you can knead the bread dough with hands, not a big deal. When everything comes together, add in 1/4 cup of lukewarm orange juice. Orange juice reduces the bitter taste of wheat. You can replace it with the normal water. At the end, knead the dough by adding lukewarm water in it little by little. I use less than 100 grams of water to kneading my dough. The water range can be varied because it a lot depends on weather. This dough should be soft. You can see the elasticity of dough. When you insert the finger in it, it bounces back. Now transfer the dough to a lightly greased bowl and cover it with a cling wrap. Allow the dough to rise till puffy about 2 hours. You can see bread dough is doubled and perfectly puffy. Now transfer the dough to a greased surface. Don't use the extra flour for dusting and don't punch the air out. Roll it out gently and shape it into an 8 inches log, as you can see in the video. Seal the edges very tightly. Grease a 9 into 5 inches loaf pan. and place the dough in pan. Cover it loosely with cling wrap and let it rise again for 2 hours. Now our bread dough is doubled. Brush its top with egg and milk mixture. Bake this bread in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, cover the bread with aluminium foil so it will prevent the overbrowning. The fresh, tasty and healthy bread is ready for sandwiches and toast. This bread will stay fresh for 5 days. You can cover it in airtight container or in the bag.